So hi, my name is Collis Nicholas Allen. I'm from Guyana, that's in South America. My background is initially in computer science. I was working with Doppler, weather radar, and also some like climate databases. So I felt the need to gather some background knowledge on what I was working with. Being that my country is below sea level, like we're on the coast of South America, so we experience a lot of flooding. So, and I really felt the need to not just install these systems, but also get a better understanding of what I was working with, the physics behind it. But since I've been at IHE Delft, it's been a really amazing experience for me. I've learned so much, and there's still much more to learn that ties into my interest and my initial idea of getting into hydroinformatics. So I've learned a lot, and I think the previous module that I did is where my interest mainly lies, which is disaster risk management, especially for my capital city, Georgetown. Or my interests are mainly in urban flooding or flood forecasting. The most important thing that I've learned this far is that flood risk analysis or flood risk assessment is not just about quantifying stuff, looking at dollars and cents. It's about a holistic approach, looking at the environment as well, sustainability. So we might protect ourselves from flood, but then damage another part of whatever it is we're trying to protect. So I think this is one of the key things that I've learned, and so in dealing with or taking back home, I'd like to take home this sense of an integrated approach into water management.